So today I want to take a look at this sweeper that I bought the other day from Walmart. It's their Hyper Tough wet dry vacuum, 1.5 gallon, model number VH105 3502. And what I liked about this was it's so small. So you just want something to sweep the car floor out. You got a little something here in a crevice. You need the crevice tool, but you don't want something big, bulky. You want something small. This attracted me to that. So I thought I'd give this thing a try. It was just around $30. Now the tank size again is 1.5 gallons. The motor is 2 horsepower. The power cord is 6 foot long. The airflow is 60 CFM. And the machine weight is stated to be 3.7 pounds. Of course, you get the wet dry vacuum. You get a 4-foot, 1 1/4 inch hose, which is good. It's a standard small hose. You get the reusable cloth filter, a foam wet filter. You get a crevice tool, a utility nozzle, which is like a brush, and then you get the wall mount bracket. And later we'll do a test with this bag of 1/4 stainless steel nylock nuts, which for something this small, you're not going to be picking up large items. So this should be a pretty decent test to see how it picks this up. Now on page 16 of the manual, it does have a parts list. Here's your crevice tool, overall length 5 13/16. And your brush tool, overall length 5 7/8. And you get a wall bracket and some mounting screws. And here's your coiled hose. They actually have this inside the canister when you get this, so that the box is as small as it can be that the sweeper comes in. On and off switch is up front. Now, being out in the cold here in the garage and being coiled up as tight as it was, this hose is taking a set. So I'll take it to the house and kind of just bend it around and it should be better. But we're going to go ahead and do a test to see how this actually picks up. Okay guys, here's all those 1/4 nylock nuts, stainless steel. Let's see how they pick up. And I'm not going to use the crevice tool, because the crevice tool being somewhat narrow, the tip opening could actually, depending how that nut goes in there, it could go in crooked and then hold up. So we're just going to use this end here. Well guys, I would call that pretty good. Definitely a nice addition to your home, to your shop, when you want something really small, compact, not heavy, doesn't get in the way. You might want to check this out. And guys, as you can see, this canister is so small and portable that even a little moose barely fits inside. Little moose. She's amazed herself.